This is a game I dubbed Dogfight, and it was really close to being really cool, but I kind of rushed it at the end to meet the project deadline. This is I don't want to say flight simulation because it's like the goofiest physics you might ever see, but it's a plane fighter. The prompt was to make a Space Invaders type game, and you know that when I'm tasked with a 2D game, I am going to fight it like it's a lethal disease. But with that being said, let's get into gameplay. I made myself a little low poly plane as the character. You can fly around using your mouse, but you also have your arrow keys, and there are the bots. They don't have like any AI, they just have a really dampened rotation, constant rotation towards the player. So you can kind of get behind them and shoot and stuff, start blasting, that kind of good stuff. It's kind of hard to lose if you understand how the enemy planes move. But yeah, it's a neat little plane combat. My inspiration for this was actually the Fortnite Air Royale game mode, because I was like crazy good at that back when it was around. This game actually is like very visually cool. The choice of graphics I went with were actually inspired by, like, I had this joystick when I was a kid that let me play these really old video games, and there were these wireframe style space shooters. I'm like, oh man, I don't have time to like make textures and stuff, but this would look really cool. But yeah. Funnily enough, the enemy planes are actually the same object as the player. There's just a single boolean that decides whether the player controls them or whether they control themselves. But you can see actually there's these little double brackets. Actually, I don't know if that's a double bracket or like a special character in the bottom left. That's your health meter. That'll go down when you get shot. And I mean, if I go straight for a little bit, I'm just gonna get like beamed out of the sky once they rotate towards me. And it takes a second for them to. Oh yeah, they also go faster than you, so that they constantly pass you. Uh, I kind of had them made up like really stupid so that they didn't just absolutely destroy you at the game. But yeah, I'm sorry, I just happened to make like the dumbest AI in human history. But yeah, we have to intentionally get hit by these, but you can see my health meters going down as I get hit by these little lasers. I don't know why I think the rotation was super jittery because I did it forcibly numerically. Like, these aren't force-based, this is just a direct change to the object's rotation. If I did it with force, I'd probably get a little, honestly, less nauseating behavior. But yeah, that's probably all I have to show for this. Thanks for watching.